Hello, this is Yingqi Huang. I'm doing the homework 9, problem 3. In this problem, we need to prove or disprove the limitation of xt over t equals to lambda. And from the Poisson process and from the homework 7 problem 8, we know that we can calculate the expectation of the of x of the Poisson process, and it is equals to lambda. And similarly, the expectation of x of t equals to lambda t, and the variance of the xt also equals to lambda t. And we can write this down, that is eta t equals to expectation of e of t, x of t, and this one equals to lambda t, and the variance of the expectation of xt equals to lambda t. And similarly, we can get that the expectation of xt over t equals to lambda, and the variation of xt over t equals to lambda t over t square root, which is lambda t over t. And according to the Chebyshev inequality, and we know that the probability of x minus eta and we can make use of this inequality. So the limitation of the probability of xt over t minus lambda is less than the epsilon, and this one, let me write down this. This one is larger than the limitation of t equals to unlimited 1 minus variance square root over epsilon square root, and this one equals to lambda over t. So this one equals to 1 lambda t epsilon square root. So when t is approaching to the infinity, and this part will equals to 0. So this one equals to 1. So we can say that the limitation of the probability of xt over t minus lambda less than epsilon is 1. So we can prove that the limitation of xt over t equals to lambda in probability. And in this problem, we have to know the expectation and the variance of the Poisson process, and we can remember this as a formula, which is the expectation is equals to the variance equals to lambda t. And also we need to know the Chebyshev inequality and make use of it. And thank you.